How to download Castle Make and Play app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to download the Castle Make and Play app on your Android device. So let's dive in. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. And now, tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap search bar and type in Castle Make and Play. Now from the result, you need to look for the Castle Make and Play app, verify the app's name and icon, tap on the app to open its download section, and now tap install button. Now the app will start downloading automatically. The download should only take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, the app will install automatically. You can either tap open directly from the Play Store or find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. When you open the Castle Make and Play app, you can follow the on-screen instruction to sign in and set up your profile. And that's it, you will successfully download your Castle Make and Play app on your Android device. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.